Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and senses of the most exclusive lodges and authentic experiences in the South Pacific. Meet the proud custodians of their land as they open doors, granting privileged access to experiences rarely accessible to the public. Stay in the most remote and unique destinations to absorb the heart and soul of the country. Touring Treasures introduces the ultimate in experiential travel, seamlessly by private jet. Take to the sky in absolute style on your exclusive private jet, reserved for just 8 guests. A small, intimate group, maximizing experiences on the ground and heightening comfort in the air. An aircraft and VIP service accustomed to heads of state, royalty, and celebrities will be your vessel to journey from one remarkable destination to the next, stopping at locations inaccessible to most. The mundane inconveniences of commercial travel rapidly dissolve into oblivion when you board your jet just 2 steps away from your vehicle. Seamlessly by private jet is the ultimate jet-centric journey, crafted just for you. Live your dream and join us for the most memorable adventure of a lifetime.